Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Porkbun email not working. So step number 1, first make sure you didn't recently switch to another company's name server, as this will break Porkbun email. If you did recently assign third-party name servers, please follow the instructions on how to use Porkbun email when the DNS is hosted elsewhere. If you haven't made such a change, then log in. You should arrive at the domain management screen. If you already logged in, click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you want to reset the MX records for. To the right of the domain is a row of icons. Click the envelope icon under email to go to your email hosting or forwarding page. On the email hosting and forwarding page, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will see a section that is Fix DNS button. Select the Fix DNS button and then the OK button on the browser window that pops up. This will configure the domain with our MX and SPF records. And that's it. Wait a couple of minutes and see if the issue with sending and receiving email resolves. If it doesn't, feel free to reach out to support@porkbun.com and the support team will investigate further. That's it. Thanks for watching.